Hello everyone, welcome to the another tutorial video of Themehunk. In this video I will show you how to add live chat on your WordPress site using talk.to. If you want to monitor and live chat with the visitors on your website, Talk is best option for you. Using Talk live chat you can respond to support tickets. You can add live chat in any WordPress site and it is fully customizable. First go to talk.to website, sign up and create account. For installing Talk to Live Chat on your WordPress website you will need to sign up first an active talk.to account. Click on Sign Up Free button. When you click on Sign Up Free button it will open a completely create free account form. Create account, enter username and password, then confirmation email sent to your registered email address. Confirm it. Then click sign up for free account button. Then language selection form appear. Please select your language. Then click next create property button. Will display property details form. Here ask for which website would you like to add a chat widget to. Enter your website URL. Click next team members button. It will appear teamers form. If you want to add more team members, enter the email and click on add more button. If not, leave it. Click next install widget button. Here's install widget code form. You can copy and paste widget code for adding manually this live chat to any site. Then click done button. Now you have successfully create account and configure talk.to live chat for your website. For Configure Talk Live Chat plugin, admin login to your WordPress website. Then go to left menu plugins, hover over it and click add new. In the upper right of the add plugins page, search for Talk to Live Chat plugin. It will show you number of live chat plugin. Then select Talk to Live Chat by Talk.to in the results. Click the install now button. After installation then, click the activate button. Go to the installed plugin list. Find talk.to live chat in the list of plugins. And click settings. Configure Talk WordPress plugin for your website. Then log into your account by entering the email and password for your talk.to account. Then select the property and widget you intend to use for your website and click use selected widget. Then click on Save Changes button. Congratulations! The Talk to Live chat now appear on all pages of your WordPress site. For Talk to Live chat plugin setting you can go account setting option. Account setting option used for property and widget. For visibility option for Talk live chat display on all pages or selected pages. Privacy option for privacy setting. WooCommerce option for WooCommerce pages. After configure settings, click on Save Changes pages. You can customize talk, live chat, color, branding and photos and many more. For this, log in on your talk.to account. Then click on Administration Setting. Then click on Chat Widget. In the chat widget you will find widget appearance. Widget appearance. For change widget color, click on Advanced button. Here you can change the Twug.to live chat widget appearance on desktop and mobile view. For desktop view changes, click on Desktop widget. For mobile view changes, click on Mobile widget. For change live chat widget color, go to Widget Color section. Select color as you like. After selecting colors, then click on Save button. Now your live chat widget color changed. I hope this video will helpful for you to understand the how to add live chat on your WordPress site. If you have any question, you can ask via comment section or directly contact us. Thanks for watching this video.